Hello my fellow YouTubers, I'm back. I don't know how long for, but I'm back. I've been away for a while, just been busy and stuff, just can't get around to cooking you some really nice meals. I hope you've enjoyed the content on my channel so far. I can't believe it, my YouTube subscribers is going up all the time, but I just need to get to 1,000. If you could help me out and share it on TikTok and Facebook and stuff, it would really help the channel. Right, today I'm going to do a really nice crispy pork belly. It's going to be slowly cooked, and then we're going to finish it off in a pan or a skillet with the rendered fat of the pork. Actually, I've got a picture of it if you like this, which you do, I know for a fact you do. Stay tuned. This dish is going to take at least 24 hours because you've got to dry the pork out in the fridge, or else you're not going to get the crackling, because it does hold a lot of moisture, so it does take a while. But if you buy it and just prep it, which I'm going to show you in a minute, and then just pop it in your fridge and leave it for 24 hours, it's plain sailing from there. So let's get to the first stage, and I hope you enjoy this one, guys. I bought some pork belly from the supermarket, not mentioning any names, but you probably guessed by this sticker. This is £6.50 a kilo, and this is one of the best meats you can buy. £4.99, fiver. And this is going to feed to quite hungry people, because you got to allow for the shrinkage. So let's get it open. They always have this stuff on offer in supermarkets. What you're looking for, the fat part of the pork belly, because the pork belly is like this size. So it starts off fat and then it will taper down. You don't really want to use the thinner part. You want to use something that's probably 1.5 inches. Nice bit of fat going through there. But yeah, definitely you want to use this part. Right, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to just portion this off into 2 bits. You're going to need a sharp knife for this, so let's say that was half. Cool, look at that, guys. Right, this first half, the way we want the pork belly to bubble up, yeah, we've got to pierce the surface of these. The more holes you put in the surface, the more the fat will render and the crispier it will be. So I've just made this tool up. It's just some cocktail sticks. Put some tape round, and I'm just gonna stab it like this. Just think of the person you don't like very much. Round. Right, now to the second part. Right, if you get any on the skin, just wipe it off. We don't want any salt on there. Now the cuts that we want, if you can see, it's probably about 1/4 of an inch. Right, we're just going to pop this in the fridge now, uncovered, because that just gives it more drying time for 24 hours, and then we're going to pop it in the oven. Guys, it's been in the fridge for 24 hours. The skin is really dry now. That's what we want for the good crackling. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to put it on a wired rack, and then just to catch the oil, and then we're going to put it in the oven for about 3.5 hours on 110, low and slow. I'm looking forward to this. Right, let's get it in the oven. Oh yes. Right, I've just got it out of the oven. This is the first stage. I've got it nice and tender. It's about 95 Celsius in the centre, so we're going to go through to the second stage. Just using the pork fat. What we want to do, we want to put it in cold. On a medium heat. Well, there it is, guys. Look how bubbled that is. Wow. Right, let's cut into it. Oh, look how juicy that is. Oh.